my engine teardown table today for the first time. Use the sink and my comic cleanser. I don't have a video of that, but I have a picture. But here's the aftermath. There's soap everywhere. But as you can see, it's about to rain, and so it's gonna wash all the soap off. But I just wanted to get this aftermath after this table worked awesome. I can't wait to build stuff on here. This table worked extremely awesome. Peace out. But you can see the soap. I love this table. This is by far my second favorite workbench.